Hey class, coulda, shoulda, woulda. What? Could have, should have, would have. Each of these modal verbs has a different meaning in English. And today we are going to focus on using these in the past. To use these in the past, we need the word have. And we need the participle of a main verb. For example, let's use the verb go as our main verb. The participle of go is gone. Could have gone, should have gone, would have gone. Now, before we talk about the meaning, how do we say these words? Of course, we love contractions. Could have, could have. Should have, should have. Would have, would have. I can say this and I can write it this way. Wait, teacher, at the beginning of the video, you said coulda, shoulda, woulda. Yes, when we are speaking fast, sometimes we delete or remove the last sound of these words. Could have, could have. When I'm speaking fast, could have changes to coulda. Coulda. I coulda gone. I could have gone. I coulda gone. Now, you cannot write coulda, but we do say these words like this. I coulda gone. I shoulda gone. I woulda gone. Okay, so what do these mean? Let's start with could have. Coulda. Could have talks about possibility in the past. For example, you didn't go to the party last night. Why not? Were you busy? No, I was not busy. I could have gone, but I was tired, so I stayed home. I said I could have gone because it was possible. I didn't go because I was tired, but it was possible. I could have gone. Should have, shoulda, is for advice in the past. Oh, you should have gone. It was so much fun. You should have gone. This is my opinion of something you should do, but this is in the past. You should have gone. You should have gone. It was so much fun. Would have, woulda, talks about changing something in the past if something else was different. For example, I know I saw the pictures. The party looked fun. If I had not been so tired, I would have gone. In this situation, it is very common to use the word if to talk about something different in the past. I was tired. I did not go. If I had not been so tired, yes, I would have gone to the party. Let's do another example. I failed my test. Why? Was it too hard? No. I could have passed, but I didn't study. I was at my friend's wedding all weekend. Possibility. It was possible to pass the test, but I didn't study. I could have passed, but I didn't study. Advice? You should have studied before the wedding. I know, I agree, but I had to help her prepare for the ceremony and the reception. If I had any free time, I would have studied. Again, if something was different in the past, the real past, I didn't have any free time. So, I didn't study. But if I had any free time, I would have studied. Okay, quick review. Could have, coulda, is possibility in the past. Should have, shoulda, advice in the past. Would have, woulda, we use with if to say what we would have done if something in the past was different. So, that food was delicious. I could have eaten more, but they ran out of food. Ran out of food? No more food. Ran out of. I could have eaten more, but they ran out of food. Your wife is mad at you? Well, you should have remembered your anniversary. Of course she's mad. Okay, seriously, that food was delicious. If they had not run out of food, I would have eaten more. Okay, that is all for today's video. I hope this video helped you understand the difference between coulda, shoulda, and woulda. And I hope you can use these when you are talking about the past in English. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Sam. I'll see you soon.